Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. How to make $100 a day every day. That's what this channel is about, and that's what we do every single day, at least every trading day. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. This is my TV studio, and in the evenings and different times, I do concerts, fundraiser events. In fact, on the Martyn Lucas channel, we've raised over $1 million for charity, and we're doing it all the time here on the Day Trader. We are a family, a community supporting everyone, and this is my real life savings, my real money that we trade here. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a regular guy trading my life savings with you. I've grown a portfolio from 5,000 all the way up to 58. We're now back a little bit at 42, a couple of months of corrections, but a lot of opportunities in the markets right now to make money. Fantastic. We've had a great day today. Even though I'm down 1% on my portfolio, I'm actually up nearly $500 on my individual trades. I got my swing trades, my day trades, my scalping, and my long-term investments all built into my Robinhood account. Okay, let's bring in the overlays that you need, the information that you need. Here is the ticker. There we go. And there is the extra information you need. Let's bring it in now. Here we go. All the prices. Bring it in. Where are you, ticker? Come on in. There you go. Come on. Struggling. There you go. That's better. All right. Fantastic. All the information you see is on the screen. Be a member. Be part of our show. And you will have the most honest, real, genuine family every day support you. We are here to support each other. The purpose of this channel is to bring a community together. In fact, we've raised so much money for charity, support people, grow your YouTube channel. We help in every way we can. What I get out of it is just sitting here every day with a wonderful family. I'm trying to build the biggest YouTube channel in the world, which is all around people and helping people and supporting people all the time. It's what we do. I enjoy it. It's fun. Simple as that. That's what I get out of it. And along the way, we make some money as well. So, right, it's all good. Right, if you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Click subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. I'm actually from the UK, but my studio is here in Texas. That's a bit confusing, right? Smash the like button. We hit a record this morning. 53 likes. We're only 7 months old now. And we hit 53 likes today. It was our all-time record. Absolutely great. We try to get the 20 likes before the bell goes, which is in 58 minutes from now. We've already got two of our members in. Alex, who we are featuring today. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. The information for Nudge It, Budget, Move It is below the video or at the description. You can go and check that on the 24-hour stream, which runs when I am off air. Not 7 days a week, just Monday to Friday. And you can check that out. Today, Alex Hunt is going to join us. You followed your heart. Thank you, Bill. Alex is going to join us today from Cornwall, which is my home. He's literally down the road from my house. Literally just down the road. He doesn't know how close he is. He's just literally down the road from my house. And my best mate Bjorn is actually in Newlyn East, where you are now. He's actually there. My best mate is literally a minute from where you are now. If you're at the Penn Mellon lifeboat, you are literally a minute walk from his front door. I should call him and I should say, hey, come on the camera. All right, Virgin Galactic is now moving up again. We have, I think we've sold our positions now. Let me have a look. We've got 920 left. Let me just clear the screen a minute. Let me get into SPCE again. Yeah, 920. Yep, I've sold my latest positions now. Made my profits, nearly $500 a day. We try to make $100 a day. That's our target, but we often beat it between 200 and 500. So I've done that today. So I've gained more and more shares. I've managed to lower my PayPal average. Here's my PayPal average today. It was 35% down. It's now showing 16% down. Managed to improve that. Did a very, very quick trade. It was for all of 3 seconds. Came in. I think I bought 15 shares of PayPal, sold it like 1 second later, and that lowered my average. Made a profit there. Very, very quick trade. Okay, that's what it's all about. Nibble, nibble all the way. Okay, now today, in 25 minutes, we are going to feature our silver star of the day. He's one of our members. He's one of our sponsors. Here we are. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. It's on the homepage of our channel. We're going to gain in more subscribers. I've also made a special video for him, which goes live in 25 minutes. There it is. And we're all going to like it, comment on it, watch it. And one of our members here is going to get a blowout video. It's going to get, it's not about just getting subscribers and followers, like for like, stuff like that. All complete waste of time. People do that. It's all about engagement. We want everyone to comment, like, but watch the video. That's what it's all about. Right, Virgin Galactic is now pumping up. I'm just 0.5% down today now. Doing very, very well. A lot of fear, of course, with COVID still. That's starting to become old news, starting to dissipate. We're moving on from that. Europe's blowing a few flags at the moment, but we are finding ways to make that work. Remember, more millionaires and billionaires were created during any wars. So there's always opportunity, always optimism, always look on the bright side of life. There's absolutely no point being negative or bearish on anything. If you are, why are you here? What are you doing? There's no point living like that. Right, Virgin Galactic is now lifting up. I've got 920 shares. We're just 3% down now. Remember when we first came into this, we were 70% down. 70% down overall. I know it only showed 50 and 60, but actually 70 because I reset the account. And it's now just showing 3% down. That doesn't take into account all the profits I've made along the way. But there you go. Very, very close now to being in real profit. And I see this stock going from $50 to $100 this year without any doubt. That's how I feel. A lot of people don't agree with me, but that's absolutely fine. And that's what makes me money because you sell out and I just buy your dips. That's basically how it works. For every winner, there's a loser. There has to be. It's how it works. All right. Okay, we're a little bit quiet in the chat right now. What's going on? Let me check the screens. Everyone smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let me check over there on TikTok. How are you doing? Come and join us here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. We got some great people today I want you to meet in the chat. Let me check the streams. Yep, we're all working. Everything's good. Okay, this is what we were talking about today. This is Virgin Galactic. This is what we're on about. We're going to get some figures soon. Looking to find out how many tickets they sold today. We've got the earnings report in just a few days. That will make a big difference. Once the earnings reports come out, you can only imagine how good this is going to get. But anyway, we shall see. All in good time. Right now, we're just preparing. We've got 20 minutes to go before we nip off for 1 minute. That's all it's going to be. It's going to be a very quick moment, and we're going to feature Silver Star Day. We're going to feature our guest, Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And don't forget, people can watch it on the repeat as well. Many people watch our shows back on the repeat. So if you're watching this tonight, tomorrow, next week, you will see the link for Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And you can still go and watch it. And that's the point. We're going to keep growing your membership and your subscribers. And hopefully, I want all my YouTubers here to become monetized YouTubers, to all make money from your YouTube channels. That's what it's all about. Okay. Right. So let's keep our eye on the overall portfolio. We're now up. We're down slightly, but we're moving up now. And this afternoon's been quite good. Opportunity to buy in and make very, very quick trades. Separate your trades. Let me have a look now at my PayPal, because I'm just going to see if I can do it again. Right. So what we do, we wait for a drop. See that? Look. We wait for a little drop. We look at the trajectory. We see, okay, PayPal has been going down. No good news for PayPal. Their reports were bad. Down, down. A bit like Facebook, right? Keeps falling down. But along this journey, there's opportunity to all this. Make money all the way. As long as it's a stock that you don't mind owning. You might get stuck with it, and that's fine. So what you do is, as it comes down, you're looking for a little dip. Now, we can see the trajectory is down right now. I don't mind owning more and lowering my averages. So we look at it, and we see a little drop. And what we need, because nothing ever goes one way just constantly. Nothing, what goes up must come down. What goes down not necessarily goes up. If long as you believe in the stock, and I believe in PayPal, okay? So as it goes down, you're waiting for enough of a drop to think, there we go, there's a drop again. Now, bearing in mind we are trending down at the moment, so it's more likely to go down. So as it trends down, if it drops to say about here, it might be worth 10 shares, 15 shares. All right, and if I buy 10 shares and I sell those for a profit, chances are my average would drop from down 16 where it is now, 16%, to somewhere like down 8%. So I get myself into a position where I hit the floor. So I'm more likely now to go up. That's the point. So I'm waiting for that to drop. It's not enough, look, because we are trending down. So it could go a bit lower than that. But as it drops again, sort of around this position where the point of my mouse is, so let's say about 110, if I can buy 10 there, the chances are it might lift up. Not a lot. It might still trend down, but it'll have a little blip. Maybe make, $20 if I buy 10 and sell. It's all the time nibbling away. That's what you're trying to do. All right, we got 20 minutes to go. We need all our traders to come in and get into Nudge It, Budget, Move It's video. Here he is on the homepage of our channel. We've got 214 subscribers now. We want to get into 1,000 subscribers. That's the idea. 17 likes now. 17 likes. What about that? Nudge It, Budget, Move It. You happy with that? 17 likes on your video. That's not bad. Let's have a quick look, actually. Let's see what the Queen of Self-Braiding did. Right? So let's see if we can beat that. Yesterday was the Queen of Self-Braiding. Here it is. She had 67 views now. There we go. 28 likes she's got now. 28 likes. She may not have got 28 likes all on the day. In fact, she probably didn't. But the fact of the matter is, she's got 28 likes now. 28 likes now. I don't remember what it was, but she's had 67 likes. 67 views, 28 likes. Now, I'm not expecting you get 28 likes straight away because that's taken 24 hours to do that. But nevertheless, that's what we do. We're here to help everyone. Not bad at all. We're a little bit quiet at the moment. We were quiet yesterday. Just as we got to the show, it picked up. So we have to go at 2:30 because the premiere will start. There ain't nothing we can do about that, right? We have to be there for that. There's nothing we can do. I can't change it now, and I wouldn't want to change it now. That wouldn't be very good for your analytics at all. Right, Virgin Galactic on its way back down again. So once it hits under the 10, I'll buy another maybe 100, 200. All right. So let's look at it now. Our overall portfolio is now just 0.99 down, $400 down, but we're comfortably up now to 42.5. Remember, just a month ago, we were around here at 35. 35, 36, remember it around here? Remember those days? Ooh, black days, ooh. And now we're nearly 43, so much better. Much better. All right. Tesla's on the move as well. That's moving up. That's good news. There we go. It's gone green for the day. A lot of this is being affected by the scare in Europe. Mr. Putin, you're costing everybody money and stressing everybody out. Get a grip of yourself, mate. Sort yourself out. Right. A little bit of a drop there. You see PayPal, it dropped, and now it just started to lift again. It's not low enough for me. Not low enough. Not at that point. If it does a little turn more, I'll have another go, but not right now. Let's have a little look. Okay, I've got the ability to get another 10, but I just sold at, what did we do? 110. Yeah, 110. It's got to go below 110. It can just bounce off 110. 109 would be good. Somewhere around here, I'll pick it up. But it's not low enough yet. So we'll come back to that. SPCE, I think we're done for the day now. We're just enjoying owning 920 shares. We're only 3.7 down now. We're only 3.7 down now because of what I've been trading all day. We're just 3.8. And in fact, we're down 6% today. So if we just rose to zero, I'd actually be up for the very first time. Overall. Doesn't really reflect the full position, but overall. And if it did that, if it went up 64 cents, which it could do very easily, then I'd be over $10,000. Be great. Anyway, let's keep our eye on that. Right, we're coming up now to 15 minutes. This is the countdown to Nudge It, Budget, Move It. In 20 seconds from now, we'll bring it up. And we need all our team here. We've got 16 likes now. Everybody come on in. We're about to bring up the clock 15 minutes before the premiere of Nudge It, Budget, Move It. This is Nudge It, Budget, Move It Day, Silver Star Day. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 minutes to go. Okay, so we're now going to start to promote him and build it up. It's all about community. It's all about growth together, right? Here is the link in the chat. You will need this in a minute. You don't need it yet. Don't go early. Some of you yesterday were jumping in early, but don't do anything yet. I will tell you when, right? I've got you. You don't have to go anywhere. You're in YouTube. That click will take you there in 1 second. And there's a 1 minute premiere build up, so you will not miss it. But we want you to watch 100% of the video. That's what helps it grow on YouTube, by watching 100%, and then you'll come straight back to me. Okay? Then you come straight back to me. Or not. I give my audience away and they don't come back. That would be good. Right, on the live position, I'm up. On the hour, we're just down 1%. We're getting, so on the day, I beg your pardon, we're getting close now. So let's look at SPCE. Waiting for another drop to do it again. If not, it's fine. We're trimming off as it grows, as it goes up. Meta. It's not cheap enough. Amazon is not cheap enough. Tesla is now making money, so I'm going to leave it alone. Leave it alone. Apple is up 0.13. Again, not cheap enough for me to buy in right now. Virgin Galactic down 0.587 today. I'm just down 3.7. All right, Mark's here. Let's bring everyone's comments in. Leah's here. Thanks for the coffee, by the way. 17, Nudge It, Budget, loved it. There you go, Nudge It. And Mark Bill's here. Everyone, we've got a reasonable crowd. It's a little bit quiet. I hope it doesn't stay like this for Nudge It Budget. We want it to be a big one. We had 53 likes today in the show. And what did we have at one point? 33 people watching at one point was the highest it got. We want at least 20 people, right? We want at least 20 people. But what happened yesterday, I noticed that. They were all in the Queen, waiting for the Queen. So they may be there now. There's one waiting. There's one person already waiting. 17 likes. There it is. We're waiting for it. 12.5 minutes to go. And then we'll have the closing bell. And then, of course, tomorrow, I all need you to join me for this video. I'll tell you all about it. I'm being interviewed on Restream. This was not my thumbnail. I think they've made the face a little bit bright, but I don't know why they've done that, but there you go. Restream seem to like the sort of flared out look. That's their image, their looks, what they like. There you go. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow at midday. I'm being interviewed on Restream. It's a very big day for me, and I'm hoping all my family will be there. So we'll talk about that in a minute when we get the rest of the team in. A little bit quiet right now. If you're over on TikTok, come and join us. Justin Cook, how are you, Justin Cook? Nice to see you. Hello, everybody on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and, of course, TikTok. Do you want to be part of the main show? Click the profile, click the icon, and come on in. All right? Okay, here we go. We are just down 0.98% now. This is tonight as well. Tonight, we've got another big event. It's the NVIDIA financials. So let me put that into the chat. Create a poll. Let me put that right. That's better. Who's joining me tonight for NVIDIA earnings? Remember, I don't talk on that one. We just listen in. All right, it's just a chill out. You're going to watch it anyway, so you might as well watch it with your family and community, right? Earnings. Who's joining me tonight for NVIDIA earnings? Yes or no? There we go. That is the one right there. Okay. And, of course, it's on the home page. There it is. NVIDIA earnings. You can go and put a like. You can go and get ready if you want to. Click a reminder. Oh, we've already got likes on it. There we go. Here it is. Is the NVIDIA. We're just going to listen to the report, hear what's going on in the world with NVIDIA. And that is tonight, in 2 hours from now. Okay. All right. So now we're 42.6. Just down very slightly. I'm expecting a little bit of a lift off in the last dying moments of the day. 19 likes. Whoa, that's great. Good start to the day. Good start to the closing bell, rather. All right. Smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get up to 20 likes before the bell goes. We pretty much do that now every day. So let's continue that. If you drop a super chat, that's what happens. Become a member, that's what happens. Subscribe, that's what happens. There you go. All righty. Okay. 9 minutes to go. We want to get all our team in. Oh, here's Alicia. They're all coming in now. We've got 8 minutes to go before we premiere Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. We've got the NVIDIA earnings report tonight. Will you be joining me? We've got running a poll. Click at the top. It'll be right after the closing bell. There will be a half an hour break, and I'll be back. And grab a beer, grab a whiskey, and just sit down and chill out. Just listen to it. We'll be hearing from NVIDIA about where they're going with their company, and we'll take a look at it. We might even have a little bit of a flutter with it, shall we? Let's have a look. NVIDIA. Let's have a look at it, see what it's doing today. Is it going to rise on the news? Right, it's down today. How much was it down by? 3%. It's rising. NVIDIA, yeah, they're expecting their earnings is slightly, pretty much every time they exceed expectations. Okay, so it's rising slightly. So we've, I'd say it's a bit late now, down 3%. It's a bit late to buy in at the moment, I would imagine. You would have wanted to have bought here this morning. We've got 7.5 minutes to go. Bought it on February the 14th. Yeah, we're down 8%. It's rising up to their earnings report. Buy the rumour, sell the news. Could do perhaps a bit of a drop. We'll watch it. We'll keep our eye on it. And maybe we can make an investment. It's a great company, I think. Of course, with Bitcoin and all that kind of stuff, it's very much in the forefront right now. But we will keep an eye on that. And if it drops a bit, I might be interested. But right now, we've got just 6 minutes to go. 15 people in, getting ready for Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Okay, so we've had a good growth. Look at this. Good growth. Rise up, drop back down. Yeah, we could do with a little bit more. It's done well this year. It's down over the last 3 months, as you'd expect. Started to pick up. It's pretty flat, actually. If you could get a little bit... If you'd have bought it this morning, I reckon you'd have made some money. Well, yeah, you would have made 3%, no question. We'll keep our eye on that one. All right, 6 minutes to go. If you've just come on, just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. We are about to do Nudge It, Budget, Move It. He's a silver star of the day. Okay, if you want to know what that is, you need to become a member. And you get many, many benefits and features. As well as this, you can make me a member, a manager of your channel, And Nudge It, Budget, Move It is a lot more than just a member. He's actually a sponsor. He gets promoted in our shows, and he'll get promoted today as well. Nudge It, Budget, Move It will get a good commercial in our show today as a sponsor member. So get ready for that. And we've got 5 minutes to go, and we're just preparing for Nudge It, Budget, Move It's premiere video. So what we're going to do in a few moments' time, we are going to hop out of our channel, hop into NVIDIA's. We're going to hop into Nudge It, Budget, Move It's channel. We're going to watch a 1-minute video. We're going to blow his channel up. Everyone's going to like and leave a comment. And we're going to support our friend, member of the family, and our sponsor, okay? That's what we're going to do. And that's coming up very, very soon. But we've got just time then. Let me have a look at where we are now. Yep. It's time, very quickly, to run a quick ad. So skip the ad. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There we go, we're back. You back with us? Just check the streams. Yeah. All looking good. We're watching our main portfolio right now. We are also looking at SPCE. Our target is $100 a day. We make between $200 and $500. How to make $100 a day. That's exactly what we do. And I've done that today just on Virgin and PayPal. Not really traded anything else today. Just concentrate on one thing. Relax. Enjoy. It's a lot of fun. Calm investing. Right. Hey, Bill, all these extra accounts that you've got, because Bill's got quite a few accounts now, I've noticed. Have you subscribed and rung the? Have you subscribed with all those different channels to the Day Trader? I'm sure you have, but I just thought I'd ask, because we want to get to 100,000 subscribers as quickly as possible, because I want to give away $1,000 in cash to one of my members. That's what I'm going to do. All right, and I reckon it's under a year before we get there. Won't take that long. It'll come around at the rate we're going. Right, we've got 2.5 minutes left. We need everybody in now. Let me know you're here in the chat, because we're about to promote Nudge It, Budget, Move It. 15 people watch. It's a little bit on the quiet side, but I can't stop it. What I can do is, if we get members afterwards, send them to it. But we need to be there in the live video. All right, so get ready. NVIDIA is lifting up today for their earnings report. Amazon is doing well. Tesla is doing well. We're green today. Apple is green today as well. SPCE is slowly moving up again. We've been trading it all day. Well, we've just got our main 920 shares now. Just $300 to go now. At $9,000, it won't take much, just 3.5%, and we'll be in the green for the first time with Virgin, with 920 shares. It's going to get very exciting then. Then we can start nibbling off the top and taking profits and buying dips. It's going to be very exciting once we start getting to that position, and that's what we've been improving all day. Okay, we've got 19 likes now. Subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. We are nearly ready to go. 1.5 minutes to go. So here we go. Get ready. I'm going to give everybody now the link. Don't click on it until I say, right? You got plenty of time. There'll be a 1-minute build up. Don't do anything. Stay right where you are. Okay, wait for it. Just wait for it. Here is the link now in the chat. Okay. There is the link right there in the chat. And when I tell you, I want you to click on it. I want you to join me for the live premiere of our friend, member of the family and sponsor. And we'll watch Nudge It, Budget, Move It's video together. I want you to leave a comment afterwards in the main comments. leave in the live chat, blow it up, watch the whole thing. It's only a minute long, and then come straight back to me, okay? Come straight back to me. Very, very easy. Don't leave me here on my own, whatever you do. He's got 17 likes now. We want to get it to 20. Okay? Okay. Just wait for it. We've got plenty of time. You'll see it start to do the countdown. Don't go until I tell you to go. Just wait and hold and hold. That's all you got to do. Let me clear the timer. We don't need to bring that in. All right. Okay. You ready? Okay. That'll begin shortly. But don't do anything just yet. We're still trading. We're still watching the stocks. I'm watching it. You don't need to worry about it. I've got it. Here is the link in the chat. Get ready. And straight afterwards, Nudge It, Budget, Move It's going to call in. I hope everyone else can join us. They might already be there. There's the link. Just wait for it. Okay, go. Everybody go now. Go, go, go. Get into the chat, like, comment, and come straight back after the show. It's only a minute long. All right. We're going to help our friend now. We're going to help our friend have a blow up video. Go into the live chat. Leave a comment. Hi all. Like it. Comment on it. 30 seconds to go. There he is. So if you've just tuned in, go into the live chat. Here is the video. We are promoting one of our sponsors. We're helping him have a viral video, and then we're going to call afterwards. He's going to call in from Cornwall, from England. A lot of fun this is. Here we go. 13 seconds to go. Here we go. You got 18 likes now. There we go. Looking very nice. There we go. Let's watch what happens now. I'm over here watching it. There it is. There's his video. It's going live right now. Good stuff. And it looks like everybody's watching it. That's very, very nice indeed. And in a couple of seconds, everybody will be back again. We're having a blow-up moment for our friend. It's what we do. We support everyone. So my numbers should drop off right now for a second as everyone goes and has a look at Nudge It, Budget, Move It's video. And there you go. He's got 18 likes now. All right. It's only a very quick video. It's not very long at all. You'll be right back with me in a second. And we shall see what happens in a sec. Right. It'll be coming to the end very soon now. Okay, let me have a look. It's coming to the end. There it is. It's come to the end. Did everybody watch? It's got 18 likes now. Okay. Ah, there he is. Alex is in the chat. Lovely stuff. We can now bring Alex into the chat. So let's assign Alex to guest position 1. Awesome stuff. Fantastic. And what we'll do, we'll send the rest of our viewers who are a little bit delayed today, we will send them to the video later as well. Because we want everyone to watch it. Everyone to watch it. Okay. Let's bring in the interview screen. And let's assign myself to the right. And add our guest to the left. There we go. Alex, how are you, mate?
Excellent. Hi, Martin. Yeah, we're just survived the gales at the moment. It's going to blow about 90 miles per hour later, so we're in for a big storm. And we're only about 200 metres from the beach.
Oh, so where are you right now?
We're in St. Just, overlooking, what's the point? Cape Cornwall.
I know St. Just very well. My best friend is in Newlyn East, literally a minute walk from where you were at the Penmelon lifeboat.
Yes, you mentioned the RNLI. Yeah, so they're like 20,000 horsepower, those RNLI boats, aren't they? They're incredible. And they're self-righting, aren't they? So
absolutely.
The biggest one, they still pop up.
Alex, you're looking great there, mate. I love the presentation. Got your lights spot on. Everything's looking good. So, Alex, thank you ever so much indeed for tuning in today. It was a bit quiet on the show today, so I'm going to drive people to your video later on. So we want to get them to watch it within the first 24 hours. That's the maximum benefit to you.
No problem.
So everybody watching right now, please. First of all, I want to thank you personally for being a sponsor to our channel. So.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks
for allowing us to be a sponsor of your channel.
Oh, it's my absolute pleasure. Thank you very much. And if it wasn't for you and the other sponsors, we wouldn't be here. You know, our sponsors and members are what keeps the whole thing going. So, Alex, Martyn Redding has just tuned in. Martyn Redding, this is Alex. This is Nudge It, Budget, Move It, the guy who makes the great websites. He's with me live today from Cornwall, which he's literally, he doesn't even realize it. He's about 5 minutes from my front door right now, my UK home. And it's lovely to have Nudge It Budget with us and Alex, of course. Now, we just saw his video. Many of you wasn't in, so I'm going to give you the link. I want you to go back and watch it and blow it up. We want to beat our first one, which was, of course, the Queen. Alex, while you're here, I'd like you to introduce your company and yourself to the traders. Tell us a bit about your business and a bit about yourself.
Yeah, thank you very much. Well, I set up the business after getting made redundant, and I figured one thing that all companies need is a constant source of leads, because with leads you get new work, and then it's just a case of making a great relationship with your customer base and keep selling to them. So we started with lead generation, but I bring in quite technical background in computer programming, machine programming, and I've been able to use search engine optimization as well to push those leads, the customers, to the clients. So, we look for local customers or medium-sized enterprises, everything from locksmiths, roofing companies. You'll need a few of those tomorrow, where we are. Plumbers, accountants. We're very good at promoting local businesses. So,
I tell you what, Alex.
Somebody who wants to get more leads off the web. Then,
I tell you what, Alex, we're just going to come right back to you. Stay right where you are, because we've not finished with you yet, because we're getting some more people coming in. I'm going to direct them to your video, and I'm going to come right back. That's Alex, everybody. He's not going anywhere. He's staying right where he is. He's got to keep safe, though, because Cornwall's about to get a bit of a hoolie. And for those of you who don't know what that means, it's Cornish for it's going to bloody blow a wind, mate. So there's Alex. We'll come right back to him in a second, and go and check out his video. So here we go. If you've not yet seen it, here is the video. Alex is waiting for me in the green room. We'll bring him back. This was Alex's video just a moment ago. We have 18 likes on it now. I want everybody else who hasn't yet watched it, it's only 1 minute. Go and take 1 minute right now, and then we'll come back to Alex in 1 minute when you've watched it. So I'm going to click on it one more time. There it is in the live chat right now. Click on it. You've got time. Go and watch it. Leave a comment. And I will bring you, there it is, look, just watch it right now. Leave a comment in the live chat, leave a comment below, give it a like. I want to get him to 20 likes by the end of my show today. We're on 18 right now. Go and smash the like button and get him up to 20. He's on 18 right now. This is our sponsor. We would not be here if it was not for our members and our sponsors. And also, please leave a comment below in the left-hand side. Look where Bill's done it. You can't quite see there, it's off the screen, but trust me, there it is. Look, there's Bill, just off the screen. But anyway, we're going to come back to Alex in a second. He's going to tell you more about himself as well, and why we should all go and follow Alex with his wonderful website business, Nudge It, Budget, Move It. He's a great guy, great supporter to the show, and we all owe him our support, I think. He's got a great business. Right, over on TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Come and join us on YouTube. Click the profile. Come on over. You're missing all the fun. We've got a lot to give away on Friday. Right, it looks like we got some people now watching Nudge It, Budget, Move It live on his channel, which is very, very nice. Let's have a look. Let's see who's over there right now. Leave a comment. Then we scroll back down. He's got 18 likes now. We're just going to get a couple more to get him over 20. Let's go and check the price of NVIDIA, because we've got the earnings report coming out very shortly tonight. Nvidia is starting to move up, as we'd anticipate, going into an earnings. If you do want to get a little bit of a buy, you probably should have bought this morning, but if we get a bit of a dip just before, it might be worth a little bit of a nibble if you like it. It's a great company. If you look back at its 5 years, it's got a great record over the last 5 years. So maybe pick up one if you can just get a little bit of a drop here. If you can get a little bit of a drop, maybe worth it. Might be a bit late in the day now because we're only a couple of hours away. But it only takes a couple of seconds. You remember what happened to Amazon, how that suddenly dropped. Remember that? Okay, right. I think, have we got any more people watched the video yet? Let me refresh the screen. I think we have. Paddy, thank you. Bill has left a comment already. Great. Excellent. Let's have a look. Let's have a quick look, see how we're looking. And I want to make sure we want to get 20 likes on it today. And then don't forget to watch it later on. Oh, I give it a second. Sometimes it drops one and then it refreshes. Do you notice that sometimes on YouTube? It's on 17. Watch. It'll go back up to 18 in a second. Give it a second. You watch it. We'll come back and check that in a minute because we can't have somebody unliking it. What's going on with that? Right. Give it a second and you'll find it will go back up to 18 again. Right. We're going to bring in Alex. So we're up to 20 likes now on the main show. Great stuff. Let's get Alex back into the chat and let's hear from him about who he is. Who's the man behind Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Just want to get to know one of our members a little bit better. Let me go right into the live chat once again. And we are going to keep an eye. We will be back in a few minutes' time with the closing bell. We've got we got 19 minutes to go, so plenty of time. Let me get straight back into the interview screen with Alex. And here he is. Let's bring him back into the show. And let me just unmute you. All right, there we go. Alex, tell us about yourself, mate. So what brings you to Cornwall today?
Oh, I think the first lads' sort of holiday was down to Newquay. It's very much
boys in Newquay
type village, isn't it? But it's the whole lifestyle, really, being so close to the sea. I live in Milton Keynes, and that's about as far away from the sea as you can get. So I'm a keen windsurfer, or used to be. I love my fishing as well, so doing a bit of sea fishing, charter fishing, off the bank fishing, that's great. The rolling countryside, and of course Cornish pasties.
The best pasties in the world, right?
That best pasty I've had today, fantastic. I think they've won all the awards and over the years, and
bloody right
pasties. To anyone who doesn't know what a pasty is, it's meat, potato, and sweet, is it?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. All in a nice pastry sandwich. Listen, Alex, why should people click below the video, go to Nudge It, Budget, Move It? Tell us why your service differs from other people. I know for a fact that you work hard, committed. You said before, money back guarantee if you don't exceed and deliver, which is great. It gives people confidence that you're going to do a great job. So tell us why we should click on you to create our website.
Well, that's you've said it. It's the money back guarantee. We put 100% into the website. We always add a bit extra, and if you don't like it, then we try even harder.
There you go.
But we have all the tools that big agencies have, but we're a fraction of the price. You know, we don't run property. We don't add VAT. We can knock out a website project for a fraction of the price of an agency.
Yeah.
We have graphic design skills, video skills as well. I used to work for a World Channel Network fishing TV program, so I worked for those for a couple of years editing all their fishing videos.
Alex, keep talking and tell us what we're looking at now. I'm going to show your website. You might not be able to see it in true time, but carry on telling us about your website as I show it on the screen.
So we like people to be engaged with websites, which is why we've added the latest functionality. It's a bit of JavaScript in there. If you roll over those images, you see they pop and they follow. The eyes follow you around the screen. Yeah, that's it. So they. And then we've added a new section to our website because, again, you need to engage with customers. So we've got this section called "Wow." We're adding extra. Yeah, you're playing with the clouds there. So you can these days you can put video overlays in, and you can get the information that the customers required. And you try and make it as easy as possible for a customer to navigate the website. So you make it, oh, right, okay, you're going to have to go to the car wash. You're going to need that tomorrow with the amount of wind we've got here. Yeah, so this adds a bit of fun, really. You could offer something like a voucher if you scrub the car, clean the car, get a voucher. So it's making it a bit more fun, really, and I think that's where it's going. A lot of websites are very static. In the past, a lot of people have had very basic websites because of the bandwidth. You can't put fancy graphics and videos on because of the bandwidth, but we're all 4G, 5G these days.
Yep.
We make websites where you can, use your phone, use your iPad, and use a computer, and it'll resize your website accordingly.
Brilliant.
So you're not going to get loaded up with a big video if you're on a mobile phone in the middle of the countryside.
Brilliant.
Which will slow it down.
Right. Well, Alex, what I'm going to do is, as long as you stay a member, of course, and a sponsor, I'm going to break this video down, edit it for you, and now I have management status on your channel. I'm going to upload this at some point and create a good commercial for you live on your channel. So, and I hope
awesome. Look forward to it.
Oh, my pleasure. I hope it continues to grow. As we grow, then you will grow with us. As I've always said, no one wins unless we all win. Martyn Redding, would Alex be interested in looking into my electrical contractor's website, Highlight Energy Efficient LED lighting? There you go. You have a potential customer live right now in the show. Absolutely great. Martyn Redding's one of my fellow lions, a great guy.
Absolutely, and ask him, because I used to work for Panasonic. We used to do the electronic lighting that comes down from the ceiling, so you don't need to bring a scissor lift in. So that goes really well with LED lighting.
Perfect. Right, Martyn Redding will put you in touch. I've got obviously I've got Nudget Budget's Alex's information. I will share that with you. We'll cross over you so you two can have a conversation. So Martyn, thank you for that comment. Mike says hi, Budge. Hi, Alex. Everyone's loving it. Right, for those of you who have not gone and seen the video, we've got to get out of this now because we're trading. We've got people trying to say what's going on with Virgin Galactic. So we're going to get back into that. Alex, it just leaves me one final time to thank you for your support as a member, as a friend, a member of the family. Martyn Redding says, sounds great. He loves it. He's very excited to talk to you. So hopefully you've got a customer right there, which would be awesome. And that's great. So, Alex, one final word from you to all our members and traders that you've been supporting for so much now for the last 6 months.
Yeah, Nudget Budget Move It, your authority on the web.
There you go. There's Alex, everybody, is our super silver star day live on the show. Thank you ever so much, Alex. There he is down there in Cornwall from my home. Absolutely wonderful. That was Alex, everybody. Go and check it out. Right, we've got just over 10 minutes to go tonight before the show ends. We are going to have an NVIDIA special tonight. And nearly all of you, 10 of you are going to be there with me. Great. So we're going to sit back and relax, no talking, have a whiskey in your hand or a beer or a cup of coffee or tea, whatever it might be, and we're all going to chill out. Right. For those of you that have not seen the video, have you not seen the video? Here is Alex's video. I'm going to give it to you now in the chat. It's only 1 minute. Go and watch it now or go and watch it at the end of my show, but you must watch it. I've posted it twice. Leave a comment below. I want you to put a comment below. If you've already watched it and you haven't left a comment below, I don't mean in the live chat. I mean in the comments below. Here, let me show you what I mean. This is what's important to blow up a video. You need to go here. None of you do it for my videos, but you got to do it for Nudgets, right? Hang on a minute. There it is. I've gone over it. Okay, here it is. So just below the video, here are the comments. We've got 8 comments so far, which is very, very good. For a channel with 140 odd subscribers or whatever it is, that's really, really good. So go below, leave a comment. All these guys have done it. Welcome, brilliant, love it. All you guys have done it. And it looks like Martyn Redding has already commented to your video about that business. Wonderful, right. Thank you ever so much, everybody. There you go. Right, let's back on with the trades now. The last 10 minutes of the show. If you've just tuned in, welcome to all of you. And below the video, of course, are Nudget Budget's details. They're below the video. Right, tonight we are doing an NVIDIA an NVIDIA financial report. You want to catch it, you want to listen to it with me. I won't be talking, I just listen in. Listen in, and you can be part of that one tonight. All right. Go into the poll right now and tell me if you're going to join me. It gives me an idea of what to prepare and how many people are going to join me. All right. Okay. Let's get into SPCE right now. We've been trading it all day. Made a lot of money from it. PayPal. Oh, opportunity knocks again. Opportunity knocks again. Right, here we go. Here we go. We got it for 110, 74. Okay. We're close. We're close to another nibble at it. We're close to another nibble at it for 10, maybe 15 shares. I'm going to watch it. It wants to go to 110 flat. 110 flat, and I'll have another nibble. It's going sideways now. We've got 10 minutes, and I might be able to get out a little bit. So let's get ready to buy. Get ready to buy 15 shares, 110. We just want to get 110. Review the order. You ready? We want 15 shares of it. Here we go. Review order. 110, 85, 110, 85, 110, 85, 82, 81, 77, 76, buy. Okay, done. 110, 77. Now get ready to sell that. Okay, so get ready to sell that. 15 shares. 15 shares, sell. So the average now will drop. Sell it for 111. Anything over 111. Let's have a look. We just bought 15 for... We bought 15 for 110.77. 110.77. 15. It's down to 7% now. It's getting lower all the time. So here we go. 110.77. 15. Get ready to sell it. If we can get 111, we're done. It's on a downward trajectory, but you catch the little blips because it's now going pretty much sideways. We've got 8 minutes to go, and we want to sell this now. 77. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. You just missed Alex's video. Oops, 70. Here we go. 74, 72. Alex did a great interview. 77. Anything above 100. Here we go. 77. 111 I'm looking for. I've got 7 minutes to go. I want to trade this one. Let me change the trading screen. Gives you a better view. That's better, right? Give you a better view. 77. 78. Catch it. I want to catch it around about the 111 if I can. 81. 84. Here we go. Ready? What's leaving PayPal so cheap? It's just fear, mate. It had a bad earnings report. It's just got to readjust its business like Facebook. 77. Are you ready? 80. 85. 86. I got 5 minutes to go. 83, 84, 82. My finger's on the sell. 86, 87, 88. Do it again. Should have gone at 88. It's very exciting. I just got 15 at 77. 77. You ready? It's a downward trajectory, but there are little blips. I don't mind owning it. I'm lowering my averages all the time. 77. Come on. One more. I've got 5 minutes to go. I want it sold. 77. Waiting. One more push. I don't mind owning it, doesn't matter. We've got 5 minutes to go. It's just taking the downward turn. It is a downward trend today, but these little pops in between, how you make profit along the way. I think it might just give me that little bit in the last 4 minutes before the bell goes. Come on. 77. Ready to sell it. 15 shares. It's just doing a downward dip again. I just bought a tiny bit early this time. I've sold it a couple of times today. 77. Just gone a bit low now. That might be difficult to get. It might just be a wash. I've got 3 minutes to go. If not, it doesn't matter. I've lowered my average to 7% down. I don't mind. Am I going to get that out? Might not happen now. The last 3 minutes. So who's joining me tonight for the NVIDIA earnings call? I don't talk. We just sit and listen in. It's just a chill out session together. So, yeah, looks like a wash. I think wash is about as good as I'm going to get. But I'm not really bothered. I don't mind owning PayPal at all. I don't mind. I'm now down 7% on a 40% drop. I can live with that. I'm fine with that. It looks like I'm not going to get it. I don't see it because the volume is now going out of it. I had the opportunity. It went to 88. I should have done it at 88 and then bought back, but it doesn't matter. You're constantly learning and constantly adjusting. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Tired, been a long day. It has been a long day. Been a great day. We've had a very good day today on the market. Right, we've got 2 minutes to go. My finger's right on the sell. I personally don't think it's going to do it because we're losing volume now. So unless for some reason everyone decides to buy in at that price, but there's no reason why they should, because you'd expect it to drop in the morning. You know, why would you bother now? But we'll see. 30 cents to make up. It could happen. Could happen very, very easily. And we've got down to 1.5 minutes to go. I'm going to just relax a bit. Bit too tense. Don't like that feeling. So walk away from that. 7-figure mindset. Hello. How are you, mate? We've had a great day with Virgin Galactic, by the way. The dips were great. I bought and sold it several times. Lowered my averages down and down and down. We're just trying to get a quick trade from PayPal. The target's $100 a day. Today we've made nearly about 300, 350. It's been a pretty good day. So that's what our aim is, $100 a day. And as long as we can get $100 a day, I'm more than happy with that. It doesn't look like we're going to do it. Get ready to close the shop. We'll do it in the morning. Short the stock today, up 18%. Good luck. Congratulations, mate. Well played. Well played. $25 seconds to go. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell's gone. After hours. There we go. Okay. So an hour and a half from now, I will be able to trade that in the morning, but I don't mind being 7% down at all. To say you're 7% down now in PayPal when it's dropped 40% this month, I don't mind that at all. I've got no issues with being 7% down on that. No issue at all. It's undervalued. The analysts, if you look, the analysts love it. It's got a good rate. Look, here it is, 83% buy-in. I find that accurate most of the time. They'll readjust. I'm not bothered. It's just a great opportunity to buy, to get in. So I didn't manage to sell it. So we'll clear that off the board. I'm getting in at PayPal at 100. 7 figures. What he's poking me like that. I'm getting in at 100. I hope you do. I love it. Right. Okay, it's been a good day today. So let's have a quick score. All the day traders, let's do day trader of the day. So if you've not yet done this, I'm going to give everyone now a chance to do it. We had Nudge It, Budget, Move It today, one of our sponsors, live on the show today. He was here. Please rewind the video and check this out. Oh, he's got 20 likes. 20 likes, loads of comments. Oh, look at this. Loads of comments. Loads of comments. I love it. Love it, love it, brilliant. 16 views, he's off and running, not bad at all. Right, let me give everyone the link right now. It's a 1-minute video. Go and watch it now, and then we'll come back for the day trader of the day. This is one of our sponsors. He's a great guy. He builds great websites. We've just been showing you it. Go and click on it. There's the video. It's in the chat right now. Leave a comment below, please. Help him out. He's one of our sponsors. Let's get him up. Let's support him, and then come right back. It's only a minute from now, and then we'll do day trader of the day. And if you're thinking, no, I'll just stay here, I'm going to make you go and watch it. You ready? Because I'm going to run an ad. I'm going to run an ad in 5 seconds. Are you ready? Skip the ad. Go and watch that video. And then we got the NVIDIA earnings report tonight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it comes. There you go. I told you. Go and watch the ad, come back. Not too bad today. Not too bad at all. Right, this is NVIDIA right now. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look where we are right now. And 3, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is starting to pop up now. Coming up to the earnings report. Buy the news, sell the rumor. A bit late in the day. I want to dip before I do it. This is the earnings report. We asked you in the poll, who's joining us? How many? We've got 13 votes. 70% are. So 10 of you are going to join me. Where is everyone? It's a quiet show today. Well, they're all watching the video. You're not listening to me, mate. Where is everyone? They're all watching Alex's video. That's where they are. They're over here. It's a 1-minute video. It's a 1-minute video. Look, it's got 20 likes. Look, it's got 20 likes on it. We're helping our sponsors. We're here for everybody else. Look, there you go. They'll be back in 1 minute from now. 20 likes, look. He's our sponsor. We're all helping him. They'll be back in 1 minute from now, and we'll do the day trader of the day. That's where my team has gone, and they'll all be back in 1 minute from now. All right? Smash it. There is usually 25 7-figure mindset. We had a record this morning. We had 53 likes, over 33 people watching the show. But I've just sent them. Remember, our show is about giving to others. I've just sent them to watch a 1-minute video of our sponsor, Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And that's where they all are. They're all watching it. They'll be back in a minute. And then we're going to end the show because we've got to get ready for the NVIDIA earnings report where I tap into the audio. You listen to NVIDIA. I don't say anything. I just sit here with a whiskey in my hand, and we have a very relaxed, chilled out night. Take the jacket off. Just chilled. Here they come. They're starting to come back in again now. All right. And NVIDIA is pumping up now, 1%. All right, there better be 30 people here in a minute. I doubt it. I doubt it because we had an extended show. When we do an extended show, people are with me for 3.5, 4 hours this morning. They don't tend to be here for the closing bell. That's how it goes. We did a very long show today, nearly 4 hours. So there you go. I wouldn't expect so. I wouldn't expect so. All right. So anyway, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Hiya, Queen. Did you see his video? Have you left a comment? Let's have a look. 16 views. Shall I refresh it? Did everybody watch Alex's video? Are you back for the day trader of the day? Let's have a look. How many did he get? How many views did he get? Good old Alex. 18 views, 20 likes. There we go. All the comments are coming in. There you go. Alex will be thrilled 2 bits. I will go back in a minute and comment to all of those 7-figure mindset I liked. My friend has a call on NVIDIA. I hope it does good on earnings. It will do good on earnings, but it won't be massive. Mohammed Tamir. How are you, Mohammed Tamir? Lovely to have you here. We're quiet right now because I just gave my audience to one of my sponsors to go and watch one of his videos. That's what I did. Right. Okay, day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Are you up? Are you down? I'm down 1.37. But actually, I made over $350 today in day trading, which is separate. So let's go down today 1.39%. So I'm happy with that. I lowered my averages on everything. Added more concrete to the foundations. Down 1.39%. Do not smash the likes here. I'm good. How are you feeling? I'm great, mate. Mohammed. I traded SPCE today 4 or 5 more times. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. All the way down. And as you can see, my average is now down to 1050. From 37 down to 1050 now. I've got 920 shares again. I've sold my trading ones. I did 400, a 200, a 400, 200, something like that throughout the day. Okay. So, 1 minute from now, let me bring up my score. Are you ready? Okay. Give me your scores right now. Let's see who wins the day trader of the day. Would the real 7-figure please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up. Would the real 7-figure please stand up? Day trader of the day. Would the real 7... You know what? I ain't got it right. Sell all your space shares. Sell all your space shares. No. Not doing that. I'm not doing that. Would the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. Would the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. All right. Okay. Let's have a look. Who's going to beat me? I'm down 1.39. Down 0.24. Martin Redding. Would the bloody real figure stand up? Why? There we go. Alrighty then. Okay. I sold 50% of space. Good for you, my friend. Up 18.7 because I sold space. Good for you. There we go. There's our winner today. Congratulations to 7-figure mindset. That's a great score. And Muzinel is not here today, so there's no one to smash him out of the park. 7-figure is up. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Let's give a big round of applause. And let's give him the air horn. Come on. Absolutely great. Absolutely great. Love it. Well done. Congratulations to you. I sold 50%. Smash the like button. There we go. All right. So, one last look. If you didn't see the interview today, we had the interview with our lovely Alex, who's from Cornwall. He joined in for the chat and we had a conversation. We've got him up to 20 likes. He is thrilled to bits with that. Everyone has watched the video. We got comments from William Karam, Awareness Pictures, Nudge It, Budget, Move It, Mark Corn, the Beatles, Sean, Martin Redding, Paddy, Bill, the Footy Duo. Loads of people commented. Absolutely love it. Fan-flippin-tastic. Fan-flippin-tastic. We are so honoured to have them on our show and as a sponsor and everything else. Space back to $8. All right. I don't mind if it goes back to $8. I'll make profit from that as well. I don't mind that either. I've been making money on it all day. I don't mind what it does. I can't lose with space now. Can't lose with it. All right. Anyway. What we're going to do now is it's time to wrap up the show. We've got the earnings report tonight from NVIDIA. We're going to be back with NVIDIA doing the earnings report. And 70% of you are going to come, which is about 10 of you. I think that's right. About 10. This is what it looks like. During that show, I just sit back and be quiet. This is what it looks like. Here is the link for it. There is the link for it. I'll give you the link for it right now. Of course, it's upcoming live streams. You can't miss it. If you've rung the bell, you'll be a part of it. Go there now and leave a like, leave a comment. And what we do is we watch it. We watch it very, very carefully. We just listen in. We don't talk. And at the end, if anyone has anything to add, we'll debate it. But generally speaking, we just sit and listen to that one. The earnings report's always very, very popular. So there we go. That's the earnings report. There is the link in the chat. Go and click a like there. Click reminder. It's in 79 minutes from now. And always Nudge It Budget. Nudge It Budget back in the house. Thanks everyone for the likes and comments. That's very generous of all of you. Cheers. Well, I'll tell you, Nudge It. That isn't the end. That's just the beginning of your video. We'll continue to promote it. Continue to be a sponsor for my channel. And I'll continue to promote it. I use an NVIDIA graphics card for my Bitcoin miner. Absolutely great. NVIDIA, it's still moving upwards. I'd buy it if it dropped back down, but not now. It's already run up a little bit. So I'm going to leave it right now. And let's have a look. Did PayPal allow me out? 10? No, not yet. It's going sideways. The volume's gone now. So I will trade those 15 shares in the morning. Not a problem at all. And that's it. All right, we're done. Time to take off the jacket. Get chilled out, get a whiskey, and I'll be back in an hour and 15 minutes for the earnings report. Please do join me. It's always a great show. We get a lot of people through that. We get several hundred people often come through. Dash did good on earnings. Dash. Okay, NVIDIA going to 300. Let's have a look. 268. 267. It's doing well. I bought it to... I bought in too late though. I should have bought it here this morning before the earnings report. I missed that one. But, you know, let's have a look. Let's scout out a little bit. Over the last week, it's only up 3, only up 2. Over the year, coming up. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll buy one. No, do you know what? I'm not going to bother. I'm not going to bother. I'm not going to bother with it. It's unless it drops back and get a bit of momentum. I'm not going to bother with it. I don't care what it does. If it drops back first, then I'll buy one. But coming in now would be silly because it's 3%. It's done 4% now since midday. That would have been the time to have come in. I don't want to come in now. And even if it goes to 300, it's only $30. I'd rather not bother. If it drops back, I'll pop in. But right now, I'd rather not bother. Let's have a little look where we are. Okay, right. That's it from me. Let's get prepared for the NVIDIA. We'll keep an eye on it. If we get a drop back, I will have a little nibble. So see you all back for the NVIDIA earnings report in an hour and 15 minutes. Should be a fun evening. We just sit back and listen, and I'll see you back then. In the meantime, let's clear the overlays. Let's get ready. Let's clear the ticker away. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. And that's it from me. Take care of yourselves. And each other.